Wheel bearings are real all-rounders. They transmit driving forces to the wheels and ensure that the wheels turn smoothly. They bear the entire weight of the vehicle and are subjected to strong forces. Wheel bearings are essential to the safety of a vehicle. They ensure stable handling and supply information to driving assistance systems. Schaeffler is development partner and series supplier to leading automobile manufacturers. Under the FAG brand, Schaeffler produces 42 million wheel bearings of the highest quality every year. With trend-setting innovations, FAG responds to the increased demands of vehicle manufacturers. The best example of this is the third-generation FAG wheel bearings with patented facepline. These bearings save approximately 10% weight, increase the transmittable torque by 50%, and are much easier to mount. Low friction bearings contribute to driving dynamics and reduce fuel consumption and emissions. The innovative low friction seal developed by FAG protects the bearing better from dirt and moisture, which guarantees smooth operation and a long lifetime of the wheel bearings. With the help of special greases that are exclusively available from Schaeffler, lowest possible friction is achieved. At FAG, wheel bearings are designed for the lifetime of the vehicle. However, external disruptive factors, like potholes or hitting the curb, can cause considerable damage to the bearing. FAG offers garages the quality and safety they need for a first-class repair. With over 1,000 available repair solutions, FAG covers all of today's most common vehicles and is #1 on the market. The FAG wheel set guarantees the trouble-free and secure replacement of the wheel bearing. It also contains all accessories required for repair. The bolts and nuts are perfectly matched to the respective wheel bearings and the vehicle. For more than 130 years, FAG stands for quality, safety, and innovation in wheel bearings. You can find additional information on Schaeffler's chassis know-how and many useful services for garages at www.repexpert.com.